Hello everyone and welcome back to LearnFlow English.
Hi there to all our wonderful listeners around the world.
I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex. On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English conversations.
We upload new episodes daily, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next episode.
And please like and share with your friends who also want to learn English in an easy, fun, and smart way.
Thank you so much. So Alex, how was your weekend? You look happy today.
I am. I had a great time, actually. I finally tried that new Italian restaurant downtown.
Oh, the one on Oak Street? Everyone's been talking about it.
Yes, the pasta was incredible. But here's the thing. I went alone because all my friends were busy.
The classic adult problem.
Right. I was sitting there thinking, why is it so hard to make friends after 25?
I know exactly what you mean. My colleague was telling me the same thing last week.
Really?
Yes, she moved here 6 months ago and she still doesn't have close friends.
That's tough. But you know what? This is perfect timing.
Why?
Because today we're talking about exactly that, making friends as an adult in English.
Oh, this is going to help so many people.
I think so too. It's one of our most requested topics.
So let's dive in. Alex, where should people even start? Where do you go to meet potential friends?
Great question. First option, hobby groups or clubs. If you like reading, join a book club. Sports, join a team. Art, take a class.
Why is this a good strategy?
Because you already have something in common. You both like reading, so talking about books is easy and natural.
That makes so much sense. What other places?
Volunteer organizations work really well. Animal shelters, food banks, community gardens, environmental groups.
Why volunteer places specifically?
You meet kind people who care about helping others, and you're working together on something, so conversations happen naturally.
I love that. What about language exchanges?
Perfect for language learners. Language exchange meetups are groups where people practice different languages together.
Oh, so everyone there is learning?
Exactly. Everyone understands mistakes. There's no judgment, very supportive environment.
That's wonderful. Any other places?
Yes. Go to the same cafe or co-working space regularly. Same gym class every week. Consistency is the key.
Why consistency?
You start seeing the same faces, people recognize you. It becomes easier and more natural to say hello and start chatting.
Ah, familiarity builds comfort.
Exactly. My friend made her best friend at a yoga class, but it took 3 months of going every Tuesday.
3 months?
Yes, they just said hi at first, then small talk, then coffee after class. It built slowly.
Okay, so we know where to go, but this is the hard part. How do you actually start a conversation? What do you say?
Keep it simple and situational. Talk about what's happening right now in that moment.
Can you give me examples?
Sure. At a cafe, you can say, "That coffee looks delicious. What did you order?" At the gym, "Do you know how this machine works?" At a book club, "What did you think of chapter 3?"
Oh, so you comment on the shared experience you're both having.
Exactly. You're not asking personal questions yet, just making a simple, friendly observation.
What kind of personal questions should I avoid at first?
Don't start with, "Where are you from? Are you married? What's your salary?" Way too personal.
That would be so awkward.
Very awkward. Actually, my neighbor told me a funny story. She met someone at the park, and the person immediately asked about her childhood trauma.
What? No.
Yes, she read some article about deep conversations and thought that's how you connect.
What happened?
The person literally walked away. Too deep, too fast.
That's hilarious, but also a good lesson.
Yes, start light. Weather, coffee, the book, the event. Save deep topics for later.
Okay, light topics first. What else is important?
Follow-up questions. This is the secret to keeping conversations alive.
How does that work?
If someone says, I love hiking, don't just say cool and stop talking. Ask, where's your favorite place to hike?
Oh, keep the ball moving.
Yes, it's like ping pong. They share something, you ask a related question. Back and forth.
That keeps the conversation flowing.
Exactly. Another tip, use compliments but be specific.
What's the difference between general and specific?
General is nice shirt. Specific is I love that shirt. The color is beautiful. Where did you get it?
The specific one invites a conversation.
Yes, and compliment things they chose, their style, their book choice, their coffee order, not things they can't control.
Not like nice eyeballs.
Please don't say that. Very weird.
Never. What about body language? Does that matter?
So important. Your body language tells people if you're open to conversation or not.
How do I look open and friendly?
Smile. A genuine, warm smile. Make eye contact when they're talking. About 60% of the time, not constant staring.
60%? Not 100?
Not 100. That's too intense. Natural eye contact with some glances away.
What else?
Don't cross your arms. Don't turn your body away. Face them. Keep your arms relaxed or use gentle hand gestures.
Open body language says, I'm friendly and approachable.
Exactly. And stand at arm's length distance, not too close.
Personal space, very important.
Yes. Now let's talk about conversation topics. What should you actually talk about?
Yes, sometimes conversations die because I don't know what to say next.
Safe, universal topics are weekend plans, hobbies and interests, travel experiences, favorite restaurants, TV shows you're watching, pets, and work or studies.
Why are these safe topics?
Because almost everyone has opinions about them. They're interesting, but not too personal or controversial.
What topics should people avoid with new people?
Politics, religion, money and salaries, age and weight, and definitely relationship problems or ex-partners.
Same rules as first dates.
Exactly. Keep it light and positive at first. Save deeper topics for when you know them better.
Makes sense. So, how do I know if someone actually wants to be my friend? What are the signs?
Good question. Look for these signs. Do they ask you questions about your life, or do they only talk about themselves?
Real friends are interested in you.
Yes. Also, do they remember things you told them? If you mentioned something last week and they ask about it, that's a great sign.
They were listening and they care.
Exactly. And do they suggest meeting again? We should do this again, or let me give you my number.
But what if they don't suggest it? Can I ask first?
Absolutely. You should ask. Many people are shy. They're waiting for you to suggest it.
Really? So I can just be direct?
Yes. Just say, I really enjoyed talking with you. Would you like to grab coffee next week?
That simple?
That's simple. Most people appreciate directness and honesty.
What if they say no? Won't that be embarrassing?
If they say no, that's okay. Not everyone will become your friend. It's normal. Just move on to someone else.
Don't take it personally.
Never. Everyone has different social needs and schedules.
Okay, so we met someone nice and we exchanged phone numbers. Now what? Should I text first or wait for them?
You text first. Don't wait. Waiting games are silly.
How soon should I text?
Within a day or two, while the conversation is still fresh in their mind.
What should my message say?
Be friendly and specific. Don't say, let's hang out sometime. Say, hey, it was great meeting you yesterday. Are you free for coffee on Saturday at 2 p.m.?
Give them a specific day, time, and activity.
Exactly. Make it easy for them to say yes or no. No guessing games.
What if they say they're busy that day?
If they say I'm busy Saturday, but how about Sunday? Great. They're interested.
And if they just say, I'm busy with no alternative?
You can try one more time with a different day. Still busy with no suggestion? Time to move on.
So don't chase people who aren't interested.
Exactly. Put your energy into people who respond positively.
Good advice. Now let's talk about being a good friend. What makes someone a good friend?
Great question. First, remember things they tell you. If someone mentioned they have a job interview on Thursday, text them Friday and ask how it went.
Oh, that shows you really listened and you care.
Yes, it makes people feel valued. Also, celebrate their wins with them. New job? Congratulate them. Birthday? Remember it.
Support in good times and bad times.
Exactly. Be there when they're happy and when they're going through something difficult.
What about reliability?
So important. If you make plans for 3 p.m., show up at 3 p.m. Don't cancel last minute unless it's a real emergency.
My friend has a rule. She says, plans are promises.
I love that. Respect people's time. They cleared their schedule for you.
How long does it actually take to make a real friend, like a close friend?
Research shows it takes about 50 hours together to become casual friends and about 200 hours to become close friends.
200 hours? That's so much.
I know it sounds like a lot, but think about it. That's just 2 hours per week for 2 years.
So friendships don't happen overnight.
No, they build slowly through repeated interactions and shared experiences, like growing a plant. You water it regularly, give it sunlight, and wait patiently.
That's a beautiful way to think about it.
Thank you. And remember, quality is more important than quantity.
What do you mean?
You don't need 20 friends. 1 or 2 really good, close friends is better than 10 superficial ones.
So true. Deep connections matter more than numbers.
Exactly. Also, here's a tip. Join group activities, not just one-on-one meetings.
Why is that better?
Groups have less pressure. If conversation with one person dies, you can talk to someone else. And groups usually have regular schedules, so you see people consistently.
Consistency again.
Yes, seeing the same people regularly builds trust and comfort.
What if someone tries going to a group once and feels awkward and never goes back?
Don't do that. The first time is always the hardest. The second time is easier. The third time is even better.
So give it more than one chance.
Yes, most people don't make friends at the very first meeting. Trust takes time to build.
That makes me feel better. I think a lot of people give up too quickly.
They do, but every conversation is practice. Even if that person doesn't become your best friend, you practiced your English and your social skills.
That's actually really encouraging.
And here's the last thing. Be kind to yourself. If you make a mistake or say something awkward, just laugh about it.
Don't be too hard on yourself.
Never. Everyone makes mistakes, even native English speakers.
Really?
Really. I once said you too when someone told me happy birthday. It wasn't even my birthday.
Huh? What?
I wasn't paying attention. They said happy birthday to me, and I said you too, like it was their birthday.
That's hilarious.
Very embarrassing at the time, but we laughed about it and it actually became a funny shared memory.
See? Mistakes can bring people closer.
Exactly. Just be human, be authentic, and don't try to be perfect.
Perfect advice to end on.
I think so too.
Well, everyone, that's everything for today's lesson on making friends in English.
We really hope this helps you build wonderful friendships.
Remember, be patient with yourself. Making friends as an adult is hard for everyone, not just English learners.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like and share with your friends who also want to learn English.
Subscribe to LearnFlow English. We release new episodes every single day.
And tell us in the comments, what's your biggest challenge with making friends in English? Are you shy? Do you not know what to say?
We read every comment and we love hearing from you.
And if you've successfully made a friend in English, share your story. It might inspire someone else.
Thank you so much for listening today.
See you tomorrow on LearnFlow English.
Take care, everyone.
Bye-bye.